Hi, I'm Kevin. I designed the Oil Udder, and these are our top tips on your first change. Number one, be ready for a lot more oil than you think. Since it's a magnetic attachment, you can crack your filter and just leave it. Let it drain. Be ready for that oil to potentially, if you're using a closed nip, fill up the cup, so you may need to close it again, pull it off, and then drain it. If you're on an angled filter, you want to open it very slowly, as always, and make sure that the oil is running down the bottom and into the filter. You can also position this in the most advantageous position to catch the flow. Lastly, because of the potential amount of oil that could come out, you really want to give your oil change time. So what we recommend is you go, once you crack your oil filter and it's leaking down the side and you're happy with it, go do the other part of your oil change. Pick up some tools, do whatever. Give it a couple minutes to drain out so you can work with an empty system, because if you don't work with an empty system and then you continue to open it again and it still had a lot of oil in it, it's going to potentially squirt out and then you make a mess. So remember, if you have an oil udder, open slow, catch the flow.